Rolling with speed, mastering English phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, roll with speed. This phrase is not just about literal speed, but it's a metaphor used in various contexts. Let's dive in and explore how to use this phrase effectively in English. Roll with speed is an idiomatic expression that primarily suggests moving forward quickly and efficiently. It's often used in situations where someone needs to adapt to changes or challenges swiftly. Think of it as rolling with the punches, but doing so rapidly. Let's look at some examples. 1. In a business context, our company needs to roll with speed to stay ahead in the market. 2. Personal growth. He's rolling with speed in his new fitness regime. 3. Adapting to change. The new government regulations came in, and we had to roll with speed to comply. A common mistake is to take this phrase too literally. It's not about physical speed, but rather about the agility and quickness in response to situations. Similar phrases include move quickly, adapt rapidly, and keep up the pace. Each of these can be used interchangeably depending on the context. Roll with speed is a dynamic phrase that adds flair to your English communication. It's about embracing change and challenges with agility and swiftness. Hope you found this explanation helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll be rolling with speed in your English conversations in no time.